What's up guys, today we're at Alvin's workshop, gonna respray my engine. My block. Alvin's 1J. Shiny bro. Okay, gonna carry this up. We have finished respraying the block. Didn't really record the process of respraying, but it looks good. Same black color, shiny. My new pistons getting ready to go in together with the piston ring. Next is my clutch. My clutch is gonna be sent to clutch ayam. Call it clutch ayam. Sending it to him to repad because I like the feeling of the 3-pack clutch. Yeah. Wait. My 3-pack clutch. Because it's not that thick anymore. So I'm gonna send this to ayam. And send this and get some stuff going with the engine, and most probably it'll be done. After the clutch ayam send, everything's gonna go in, and most probably there'll be the end and the car will start, hopefully.
Yeah, about to see our new header.
Is it ready? Did you say ready?
Header done, just wanted to.
Oh really? He sent you? Oh, is it? Today we're gonna see after first week.
Wow.
Oh wow, damn, look at the engine bay, dude. Ooh, looks so good.
OK 啊，可以吗？
Oh, cantik oh toke.
机油啊，还没有烧白，并没有烧，因为那些我找那些头全部没有，它这没有包完全部啊，我帮你找，因为它没有包这个头。
他在哪个？
啊，这样去
下面这几样。
OK 了啊，全部有了，就是要找那个米全部插过去而已。
OK，
没有问题了。我看那个battery 会重啊，
会。
来，因为battery 很大力啊，你到这边来。
哦
啊，这个嘴巴这边哦，
但是到这边。
Move to the back.
对，还是你找一个小力的来刚。那大力是口摸不进啊，先跟你讲啊。这个我要跟你讲，
关气后面。
关气后面，我要零号拉哦。
哎呦。
我要零要拉去后面而已。
I still will come here to wiring.
不然这边是口摸不进哦。我也来看好了，不进。
哦。
刚好顶到那个battery啊，它battery那边。嘴巴那边。
也是他们也是。
这边battery的了啊，没有看相片battery是后面的。可以了，慢慢改 OK 了，就这样了啊。
哇塞
，man。可以了。啊，这个全部中心就给你了。这里啊，
look at the fitment, dude. So good.
到等到你收回去咯，要卖就可以卖了，人家要。不是没有用的。
他的咩？要讲。
应该放这边的，这边的有一个角那边。
哦，因为这边是烧也是。
Oh, looks so different.
这边气，那边回。
OK。
So friend, what do you feel about this new setup? Holy shit, looks so good. Oh, it looks like a different car already, wey. Oh my god. This one is way nicer, right? It's gonna look so damn good, seriously.
Yeah.
Shit. It looks so damn good, eh? I mean, the header wrap makes it, I mean, you can't even see the workmanship, but this is looking really good. Hi Zam. Hi Zam. And this new intake, dude. Oh my god.
Let's check the vacuum line on. Oh yeah, it's okay. So you already put it all there.
Where's the vacuum line? I can't. Oh.
The male connectors are all there.
Oh, okay. Wait, I can't really see. Oh, okay. Can see them.
Those are over the backlights.
Looks so good. Can't wait for this car to run. But the battery though. Battery is problem is
connector, the cable.
yeah, the cable damn expensive, you know. That's the thing that costs 300. It's not the workmanship.
Workmanship just placing on you.
Yeah, because you have to buy around how many feet? I don't remember. The cable very expensive one. Donkey got sell.
But it's the thick one lah.
Yeah. The thick one.
Okay, brake booster is correct. This one has to look under here, the big one.
Oh shit! Your car is almost done, eh? But the fitment of this particular looks real good, eh? Wow, look at that. He cannot fully put it in front. You can see because it's
Yeah,
like the curve.
it's not, yeah.
Wait,
friend.
Where is he gonna put the blow off?
Lost it.
Oh, here, ni.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, shit, looks good, eh? Wow, finally, looking like an RB. We are already away from Alvin's workshop. Went home around 20 minutes ago. Now we're on the way to our just small car gathering. Basically, me and my car boys. And today, basically, I don't have anything else to drive. So I'm driving a Honda boy. I'm a Honda boy. I'm driving an original Honda from the factory. On the way to Haika. Now there's a funny story about this Honda. This Honda was basically at the workshop last year for 8 months, and it was partially my fault. I don't know. Yeah, someone actually hit and run me, and this car went into the drain. And because of the insurance, we couldn't really claim properly, and there was a lot of procedure to go through. And after 8 months, this car is finally moving. This is my parents' car, basically. They love Honda. My mom loves Honda. I don't know. My mom loves a lot of cars. My mom loves Audi actually. Hopefully she buys an Audi soon. Or maybe I can buy it for her soon. I don't know. But I'm broke because of my car bills. 8 months. I've not ever since it came out from the workshop, I've not driven this car for a very long time. And this week, I think this is the most that I've driven this car ever since it came out from the workshop. So basically, this car came out from the workshop in February, and not driven it for months and months, and finally drove it today. Going around because I have no choice. My AE is not done yet, and my Jeep has massive brake problems. I'm still waiting for the parts coming from Amazon. The update on the what do you call that? The Jeep. My AE, however, is waiting for some parts. Still waiting, trying to find the piston ring. Couldn't find the piston ring, so I couldn't finish the block. And needs a water pump. And apparently, I've ordered a high pressure external fuel pump, which is still on the way as well. Yeah, and I think, but that's basically it. And the car will most probably run, yeah, because I'm also missing a starter. I also have to search for the starter. And yes, basically the car will run after that, and a little bit of more fixing there. I'm hoping that the brakes for the Jeep is coming soon, because I ordered it through Amazon, and right now with all the COVID law and regulation, so it's most probably gonna take a bit of time for the brake pads and the piston repair kit to arrive from Amazon. I'm not sure how long though. Estimated arrival is most probably around November. That's still a pretty long way to go. So I'm hoping, cross fingers, that I will get the AE running soon, so that I have a car to go around instead of using this Honda. And this Honda is auto, and something about me, I don't really like driving auto cars because it's really boring, and my left feet feels very dead and lazy. So yes, then the AE is gonna run. The supercharger is not gonna go in yet. Basically I've decided, after all the votings and the polls that I've done, basically the turbo was winning, but I'm sorry guys, I'm not following all your advice. I am going for the supercharger because it's most probably because it's a personal choice. The Jeep is also the Jeep is already using turbo, and I think I want to try something else on the AE, so I'm gonna try to use a big supercharger on the AE, try and make some decent amount of power. And for the turbo guys out there, my turbo friends, I'm sorry, don't worry, I still have a turbo Jeep. I'm still a turbo fan, turbo boy when I'm in the Jeep somehow. But that is the update on the cars so far. Waiting for parts, and waiting for parts. I'm telling you, all these parts are so hard to come by. Needs a lot of effort to basically buy all these parts. But now we're almost arriving at, oh yeah, I suddenly remember the place. It's called Icom Square, and we're going to the Hika or Hika, not sure really how they pronounce it. Going to Hika for that small car, just gathering me and my friends and just chill there. We are finally arriving in Hika. Yes, Hika. And look at that, Eva! My God! Oh, so good! Hope you guys enjoy the video on today's video. For those of you who are interested on the RB build, I would ask Richard, my friend, about the RB build. Any inquiries on it? What injectors where we're buying the injectors? Where's all the stuff that's supposed to be purchased from? You can just DM me on Instagram or something, or Facebook, or I don't know, Instagram would be better. Yeah.